Welcome back everybody. We've got another video for yourselves here. Back at Harpsteel as always now. I've been here for 2 hours and I've managed 5 fish. I've managed, funnily enough, 4 on the Howard Croston tequila fab and 1 on the Vicar buzzer. Now at the moment I'm using the new Rocket 2 floating line by Witchwood, which I bought using that Sportfish voucher for that competition that I won a few weeks ago. So I want to thank everybody, by the way, for going on to Sportfish, all you guys, all you lads, for liking that post. That helped me get a new fly line and that voucher that I got, so thanks very much for that. So yeah, I have got the Rocket 2 floater by Witchwood. Insanely nice line for 40 quid value. It is unbelievably supple, straight out the box. I've got a 16-foot cast on here just now with Howard Croston's tequila fab on the point, and so the spacing is 6 foot to the 6 foot to the point, 6 foot from the point fly to the middle dropper, 5 foot from middle to top, 5 foot from top to fly line. 2 size 14 Vickers by Fario fly. One's got a white collar, one's got a gold collar, and yeah, it seems to have done the business. The fishing's gone a bit quiet just now. The wind's picked up a wee bit, but I'm just working the floating line through this riffle, and we'll see if we can get a fish. I've got the indicator rod rigged up, but I've not really given it much of a chance. I gave it 20 minutes to begin with, and I thought, nah, it's not feeling like an indicator day today. So I chucked on the washing line, and we've had some success. One nice fish right in close. It was cruising right past me, and I just chucked my top dropper in front of it, and it just tore off. Didn't get the fight on camera, but I got the fish in the net, so you can see that. And the other ones have just hit the fab. That last fish I got there, or one of my fish there, you'll see it in the video, it chased after the fab. A big bow wave came up, and I was sorting out a tangle in my fly line, you know. So yeah, we're just going to give it another wee try here for a little bit and see if we can get something on the washing line. I'm going to move around today. It's back at 11 o'clock, so we'll see how we fare. It didn't take very long. I just felt a nip, and a nip again. There we go. So washing line, excellent, excellent. I just felt the slightest thing. It wasn't a heavy hard buzzer hit, you know. It was just a slight dip. What's he on the fab? Yeah, he's on the fab. Is he? I think so. Yeah. Brilliant. Yes, on the tequila fab. Lovely. Oh, if I'd left my camera rolling for a minute longer, I would have caught that take, but never mind. Lovely. And fishy number 1. Oh, fishy number 1. Again at Laldy. Right. Look at him. It's like swimming away from me there. Oh, come on, you. Right, come on. Oh, they're full of beans. I've got to watch my top dropper here, though. There's the fab sitting right there. Just watch the old top dropper there, Ross. So, yeah, no need for sink tips or anything like that right now. It seems to be that the floating line and the washing line is working good. And in we go. And there's our first fish of the session, fogies. Oh, beautiful. Right, there's the tequila fab. Oh my god, Ross, you're getting old and crickety. There's the tequila fab, just on the side of your mouth. There it comes. Lovely. Nice wee resident fish, that. Right, I'll just try and see if we can just gently does it. There we go. There we go, footies. Lovely. Gorgeous. Off you go. Off she goes. No complaints. Try that again. I'm having some bother with this bloody GoPro just now. It's not recording when I wanted to record. I've just got another fish here. It was there, swimming in front of me. I just flicked my top dropper next to it and it grabbed it. I'd love to have had that on camera, but I don't think the GoPro recorded that. That's a lovely trout, that. It's just, what are you there, boy? Look at that. Bonny, bonny, bonny. Lovely fish. Cracker. Look at the tail on that. Proper resident fish, that. Lovely. Right. Let me just clear my cast out the way here. I've got flies sitting in the net and all that. Right. There we go. There we go, folks. Beautiful fish. Off you go. There she is, look. See you later, love. Well, folks, that was actually pretty quick going. I mean, I've been here for half an hour and I've had 2 fish. Bung hasn't yielded me anything yet. The washing line, I wouldn't even say the washing line method. I got 1 on the fab, and then that last one, which unfortunately my GoPro didn't record the fight on, was that one where I just chucked my fly in front of a cruising fish and it took the buzzer. So gonna just persevere with the washing line just now. See if I kind of tempt any other fishes to come up, but I might chuck out an indicator again soon and just see. Not seeing many fishes moving here though, so we'll try. I knock and then I knock again. Oh, nice. I think that's what. Is that on the fab? Is that on the fab? Is that the fab again? Oh, let me see. Is that the fab? It bloody is the fab again. So none of them. Well, 1 on the buzzer, 2 in the fab. Right. Oh. Yeah, I like that fab. Born your head down, boy. Oh, right, come on you. Let's see if we can get you back. Oh, oh, ooh, something in his head there. Right, let's see if we can just get your heat up. There's the fab there. Look. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on, you. Watch your dropper, Ross. Right. Oh. Tell you something, sporty little fish these, I'll tell you. Oh, sporty little fish these. Right. Oof, come on, you. There we go. Bump. Nice. Right. There we go, there's the tequila fabs. Right, oh, oof. Tequila fab. Great little fly, that. Right, let's get a look at you. Let's get a look at you. Oh, aren't you? Nice fishy. Lovely. See you later. Off you go. Grand. You know, chucking out buzzers and more interest in that bloody fab. Not that I'm complaining. Sitting down on this little ledge here. There's fishies lipping, coming up, just little lips coming up. Oh, 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 there we go. There we go. Oh, jeez. There we go. There we go. Fishy number 4. Oh, there you go. Oh, keep it rotating a little bit there. That's in the fab again. Oh well, that's kind of cool. They're liking the fab. Watch your top dropper, Ross. I'm getting you out there. Oh. Oh. It's nice to catch the take on camera when it goes right. Right, oh. Come on, let's get you in. Right, come here, you. Up your head. There we go. Oh. Oh, I'm lucky I still got him on there. Oof. Shanty Moses, man. Come on. Right, oh, their little pool. Watch that top dropper, Ross. There we go. There's the fish. There we go. Got ya. Just sitting down here, folkies, you know, keeping low. And we got, oh, another nice little fishy there on the old fab there. Let's get that you go. Just in the scissors as well. There we go. There we go. Out. Out she goes. Don't prick the fish again. Thank you. That's fine. Right. Lovely fish that. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely resident fish that. Beautiful. And away you go. Cheers, buddy. Excellent. Oh, guys, I just cast it out. And I had a bow wave behind the fab. And I just kept it going. Oh, I'm missing these awesome takes today. As soon as I cast it out, I was sorting out a fangle on my line here. And a bow wave came behind my point fly. And I said, oh, quick pulling, and just grabbed it again. Fishing number 5. Oh, I wish I got that on camera. That would have been fun to see that. Still got a fank on my fly line, but never mind. Right. Fishing number 5. They're liking that tequila. Right, let's see. Can we get you in a bit closer? And in. Thank you. God almighty. That wasn't even a minute after I turned the camera off on that last fish. We've got fishing number 5 in here. There she comes. There's another rise over there. Honest to God, folkies, you couldn't make this up. Right. Another nice try to that. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Look at that. Oof. There we go. There we go. Lovely fish. Right. Let's get you back, mister. Another nice fishy there, folkies. Fishy number 5. See you later. Oh wow, that was interesting. I was just slowly figure of 8 that, and that just came just almost at the hang there. And I think that's on a buzzer. I think it is. It's on a buzzer. Oh, look at this! Look at this fish go! Look. Let's see if we can just get some on the reel. Spirited fish. Oh, nice fish. I think that's only Vicar buzzer. Oh, a lovely fish. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, that's on the top dropper, I think. Oh, nice. Nicey. Oh, we made a fangle on my cast there. Oh, come on here. Come on. Oh, strong fish. Lovely condition fish that. That's on the top dropper. Oof. It's on the top dropper, that's the white collared Vicar. I'll just see if I can sit myself down here a bit. Oh, there's a hump I can sit on. There we go, that's better. There we go. Oh, right, come on you. Oh, nice fish, look at that. Let's see if I can just swing your head in over this way. And in the net we go. Lovely. Oh, what a lovely condition trouty. Oh, another 3-pounder. Perfect nick as well. Perfect nick. Another corker. And my buzzer is just in his roof of his mouth. Oh, a beautiful looking trout that is, folks. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Full of the beans. Right, we'll go and get you back. Nice. Lovely fish. Look at that, folks. Beautiful fish. Yeah, that's a good 3-pounder, that. And off you go. Brilliant. Let's sort out this fankle, everybody. Oh, lovely. I was just figure of eighting my indicator there. Oh. I just pulled it away from me there. Nice. I was thinking about moving as well. Right, cool. 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 Oh. Brilliant fun. Fishing number 7. 3 feet down on the indicator. I was just figure of 8 in it. I went thud. Brilliant. Oh, nice tail on it. Oh, nice tail. Oh, where's she going now? Oh, come over here, you. Come on, let's get your head moving over this way. Oh. How are we looking at the old battery front? 9%, right. Strong fish. You wrap yourself around the cast. Right. Oh, brilliant fun. Oh, come on out, you. Get out of that weed. Right, you wrap yourself around the cast, so I'm going to have to try and... There you go, you got some weed around you there. Dee 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 dee. Get in my net. Oh, there we go. Bit of cabbage. Hey, nice. Nice, nice, nice. On the pink ecstasy blob. Lean fish. Where's the fly? I think fly's come out. Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Gorgeous fish. Off you go. Better releases in this video, Ross. Nice. I'm going to give myself another hour and then call it, but I'm going to trot a bung down through here again, and I'm going to try the South Pole for an hour and see. So, already set my indicator up, and I'm going to just try it. Oh, getting tired. I'll just do it a couple of feet down and just see if I can wangle something here. Now that breeze is picked up, interesting to see if we get something. Get the net ready just in case. You never know. Oh, you never know. We'll see. Well, yeah, just the one fish on the indicator. The rest has all been on the washing line. But I'm going to try the bung. Just been lucky to to get the 1 on the indicator, but persevere. I can't be bothered changing lines now. I'm in the last hour of my sessions. I can't be bothered. They've not been high up. They've not been that far down today. There we go. There we go. There you go, Rob. They've not been that far down at all today. That's on a ecstasy blob. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. I just seen that dart there. Oh, get out of that fucking weed. Right. Oh, look at this. Shunchy, honey. Right. Let's just get this on the reel. Oh. Not a big fish, but spirited as you like. Right. Oh. There we go, folkies. Fishing number 8. Oh, just in the nose. Just in the nose. There we go. Just in the nose. That should come out in a second. I'll just come up here. I don't want to disturb the water because I'm going to cast the line back down here again. Right. Oh. Come here, you. The tail of the match. Beautiful. Right, let's get you back. Thanks, buddy. Oh, off you go. See you later. Nice one. Okay, cool. Especially number 8 on the ecstasy blob. Let's get back out there. Trot that back down again. I just can't. Again, you've missed it. I'm missing takes here on the camera. I just chucked my fly there, and a fish went and grabbed it. Indicator just shot down on the tequila. Oh. I was like, oh, I'm just going to go and cast it over there, and then I seen the indicator just go. Those swan jobbies there. Right. Make sure there's no poo here. Oh. 3 feet down. Smacked it. Totally missing takes here. I was thinking, oh, maybe I might try the washing line here. Thud. Nice fish, that. Right. Oh. Good bend in the rod. Right, let's see if we can sit ourselves down here a bit, see if I can try and coax it in. That's a nice strike, that. They're all nice fish this time of year. They're all nice trout. Look at that. Tequila right in the gob. Oh, oh, another nice fish. Oh, another 3-pounder. And that, oh yes, that's another nice 3-pounder. That. Oh, look at the colours. Look at the colours on that fish. Let me just get that out your mouth, please. Let me just get that out your mouth. Oh yeah, bugger. Right. Oh yeah. Ooh la la. Right, hold on a minute. Come on. You're just in the roof of your mouth there, and that'll just. Oh, it's curved. It's gone right into the bend of the fly. There we go. Got it. Well. What a love. Look at the condition of these trout, man. They're just perfect. Absolute perfect. Speed machines, man. Speed machines. Look at the beautiful colours in it. Oh my god. Look at the colour on this fish. Let's see if I can try and hold it up. If I can just cover your eyes. Just yeah, another 3-pounder. Oh, there we go, another full-tailed beauty. Look at this. What a gorgeous fish. Look at that, folkies. Beautiful. Off you go. Nice. Just got off the phone with the missus, says I'm going to be another hour, and I'm glad I did. Was that a weed? Was that something nibbling in it? It could have been a fish. Looked like it was. Yep, that was fish. Oh god, and you're trying to have a vape inside pickles. Oh, sort yourself out, Ross. Oh, whoa. What's this? Fishing number 9 or 10, folks? I can't remember. 9 or 10. Oh. Now, I wonder. So, okay, so what's happened there is my fly has slid up to the indicator. So, was he going for the fly or was he going for the indicator? I don't know. I guess, who cares right now? Oh my god. Who cares right now? Who cares? Oh, crap, Ross, that was terrible. He's going back down again. Right, come on. Oh, another chunky monkey. Right, let's go over here a bit. Oh, let's go over here a bit. I can sit down. Just drag you over here a bit. Oh, that's another nice fish, that. Oh. Oh. No, I definitely got the indicator though. Right, cool. That's another nice 3-pounder, that. Cool. Look at that. What a beautifully conditioned trout that is. Beautifully conditioned. Look at that, another 3-pounder. Oh, they're all about £3 a day, folkies. Fast succession. Let me just hold you up quickly. There we go. Beautiful conditioned trout, £3 at least. Yeah, lovely fish. Oh, away you go. Off she goes down there. Oh, that was cool. Excellent. Just cast it into the side there. Oh, I think that's taking the tequila fab. Oh, where's my top dropper? There it is. I think it's in the tequila fab, is it? Oh, nice. Oh, rambunctious. Right. Oof. Shush. Is that on the, yeah, it's on the fab. He came up and nibbled it, and I just pulled it away from him, and he just grabbed it hard. Right. Okay. Watch your top dropper, Ross. Right. There we go, foggies. There we go. Nicey. Just drop it in there. Set this up in here a little bit. Oh my god. Oh. There's the fab just in this side of the mouth there. Right, let's just get out your scissors there, mate. You know what, I'm offering them buzzers, but they tend to like this fab more than anything else. Look at that. Another nice wee fishy there. I'm giving myself another 10 minutes and I'm heading off soon. Right. Oof. There we go, folkies. Another nice little fishy there. Off you go. Oh, nice one, Ross. Nice one. Whew. 10 more minutes, I'm going. There we go. That was a nice slow take. Oh, that feels chunky. It might not be, but that was a very slow hit. Oh no, that feels like it could be. Oh no, I think that is a decent fish. Oh aye. Oof. Oh aye, that feels like a better fish, that. I think. It's hard to tell. They're all hard scrapping fish. Oh no, that could be a chunky fish, that. Oh aye. Alright. Oh, that is a better fish. That's alright. I've got my shades on so everyone's dark. Right, but that feels good. What's that on? Is that on the fab? Oh, that's a nice fish, that. That's a lovely fish, that. Let's see if we can just get down here. What's your new dropper is, Ross? Oh, it does feel like a good fish. Oh, nice. Top dropper's there, I think. I can't see, is that on the fab? Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a better fish. That's, oh my god. He's right next to me. Yeah, that's a nice fish, that. Oh yeah, that's a nicer fish, that. Where's the top dropper? Oh, where's your top dropper? Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's see if we can get. Oh, I can't see. It's my bloody shades. Oh no, nobody near me there. Oh my god, he's right there. Let's get up. Stick there. What's your top dropper, Ross? Oh. Oh. Just come on, you. Oh. Just holding it there. Oh. Right, come on, you. Oh, just bouncing on the nylon. Oh, I don't like it when they do that. Nor do I like it when they do that. Oh, what's your dropper, Ross? You're right near your dropper. Right. Let's see if we can get your head up and get you in. Oh, lovely. Oh, yes. Biggest fish of the day, folkies. Yeah, boy. That is a nice fish. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Let's get you unhooked and back. Grand. Have a good rest in their tail. There we go. There we go, folkies. Look at that. 4 1/4. Beautiful fish. There we go. Look at that. Good weight to her. Let's get her back in the net. Get her back. Right, you. Well, let's see if we can get you gone. You gonna go? There she goes. Nice one. Excellent. Oh, brilliant. Well, thanks for joining me on this session, folkies. I think that's 12. It could be 12. I'll need to review the footage when I get home and see what the crack is, but it's about 11 or 12 fish. Mixture of tactics today, really. Washing line has done a lot. The fab has accounted for quite a few, and just a few on the buzzer, and a couple on the indicator. And you know, a lot of those fish were. There was maybe a couple in about the sort of £2 mark, but the majority was like £3, 3 1/4. They're all in the £3, 3 1/4, and that one there 4 1/4. Vicar buzzer, tequila, ecstasy blob, coral ecstasy blob, and that's it. So there's a fish's rolls over there. I can't see. It's back at 4 o'clock. It's 4:30. I need to start thinking about going because the light's starting to fail, and I don't have my normal glasses. I've got my shades with me, so I better make like a banana and split. Thanks guys for everybody for watching. Please hit that like, subscribe and share it to your friends. Remember, subscribing is free. And lads, I'll get the crackies in the comments if you enjoy this video. It's going to be quite a long video. I'm going to go home, have a beer, chill out, and yeah, thanks for watching. Indicator, washing line seems to have been the tactics of choice today. Alright, see you soon. Ta-da!